Hello viewers, welcome to this new video. In this video I am going to give you a number of words and phrases relating to corona. Corona is something at the present time. It has grabbed the attention of everyone. So relating to corona, we should know the related words and phrases. These words and phrases are quite useful for those who are preparing for competitive exams and those who are in schools and colleges. Students, those who are interested in debating and speech making and in public speaking, they are also going to immensely benefit out of this video. Relating to corona, the first word is corona itself. So corona means it's an infectious disease. It's caused by one virus, and the name of the virus is SARS-CoV-2, and SARS-CoV-2 is an acronym. It means severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. And this word corona is used here in a sentence. See this sentence. The entire world is in the grip of coronavirus now. And next word related to corona is COVID-19. COVID-19 means it's a newly identified novel virus that causes pneumonia and other respiratory infections. And this is a sentence, contains this expression COVID-19. COVID-19 is the scientific name of corona. And the third word relating to corona is pandemic. Pandemic means it's an infectious disease spreading worldwide. Pandemic actually means globally spreading. And here is a sentence containing this word pandemic. COVID-19 is pandemic in nature, means globally spreading. Pandemic has a number of allied words. Pandemic means globally spreading. Another allied word is epidemic, and epidemic is one word allied to pandemic. It's an infectious disease found spreading in a particular geographical area or in a particular community. And here is a sentence containing the word epidemic. Many people had lost their lives due to the epidemic cholera in India. This is, pandemic is again related to corona. Another word which is allied to pandemic is endemic. Epidemic is one allied word. Next allied word to pandemic is endemic. Endemic means a disease originating from the place where it occurs. For example, a disease occurs at Bhubaneswar. That means the disease has been created here. It has taken its birth from Bhubaneswar itself. And this sentence, you see, it contains endemic. Malaria is an endemic disease. I am giving one word related to corona. I am also using the same word in specific sentences for your easy understanding. And again, another allied word to pandemic is outbreak. Outbreak, it's one disease suddenly appearing. Suddenly appearing disease is outbreak. Here is a sentence containing this outbreak. People should not be afraid at the outbreak of any unknown disease. This is outbreak. So relating to pandemic, some allied words are epidemic, endemic, outbreak. Try to be clear about the meanings of these allied words. Another word is asymptomatic. Asymptomatic. Asymptomatic means disease, corona, COVID-19 without any symptom. Here is a sentence. Asymptomatic occurrence of corona or COVID-19 is a surprising phenomenon. Another phrasal expression relating to corona is novel coronavirus. It means an altogether new strain of coronavirus that was not detected in human beings. Here is the sentence containing this word novel coronavirus. COVID-19 is the giving of a novel coronavirus. And the next word relating to corona is vaccine. Vaccine means, what does it mean? It means a substance for production of antibodies to provide immunity against a disease. Here is a sentence containing vaccine. Vaccine can be the permanent cure for many diseases. And another phrasal expression, it's community spread. Community spread means the spreading of COVID in an area without the knowledge of the contact as the source of the disease. Here is a sentence, this community spread is used. Sentence is, community spread of corona in India was certainly alarming. Here is still another phrasal expression relating to corona. It's contact tracing. It means to find out the people who might have come in contact with infected patients. One sentence containing this phrasal expression is, contact tracing is effective in containing COVID-19. Still another expression, self-quarantine. Self-quarantine means restricting oneself from contact with others for a specific time. And for corona, it's usually 2 weeks. Here is a sentence containing this self-quarantine. Self-quarantine is an antidote for many infectious diseases. Here are two very interesting expressions relating to corona. One is patient zero. What's patient zero? Patient zero is the first person infected especially during an epidemic. And here is a sentence. It's difficult to trace the corona patient zero in India. Another interesting expression is again super spreader. What's super spreader? Super spreader is a contagious individual spreading infection to healthy people. And here is a sentence. Identification of the super spreader is a prerequisite to control corona. Next phrasal expression is self-isolation or isolation, say. Self-isolation or isolation means keeping oneself away from other people. And the sentence is, self-isolation is the best remedy. Another phrase is containment area. It's related to corona. Containment area is a land where access limitations to control the outbreak of a disease. It is a land area with access limitations. I mean, limited access is provided to the area. It's containment area. Here is a sentence. Demarcating the containment area is the first necessity to control COVID-19. Another expression again is herd community. What is herd community? Herd community is a phrasal expression. It means it's the immunity of the community. It indicates lesser risk of infection due to vaccination or earlier exposure. Here is a sentence. Creation of herd community is our prime responsibility. Yes. Then another very familiar word relating to corona is lockdown. Lockdown is a very common expression. Everyone is acquainted with this expression, and it means it's an emergency arrangement to restrict the movement of the people in order to contain corona. And here is a sentence which reads, imposition of lockdown is a governmental outlook. In addition to all these words and phrasal expressions relating to corona, here are certain words which will be making us clear about the variants of corona. Corona is created by SARS-CoV-2. It stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. It causes COVID-19. This is the first variant. And the second one is Delta, which was really the most dangerous one. And still the third is Omicron, which is presently going on. We call it the third wave. So these are the three variants of corona. That's all for this video. Let's keep on improving our vocabulary from time to time with the situational words and phrasal expressions. Thank you.